Hello, welcome back to my channel where we bring you expert advice on all things related to real estate. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone thinking about buying a home. That is the importance of getting a mortgage pre-approval before you even start looking at houses. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable real estate insights. And don't forget, comment below that you subscribed and I'll try to respond to as many comments as I can. Now, let's jump right in. So, what exactly is a mortgage pre-approval? Well, it's a written commitment from a lender stating how much they're willing to lend you to buy a home. It's based on factors like your credit score, income, debt, and other things. Now, why is this so crucial? First and foremost, it sets realistic expectations. You'll know precisely how much house you can afford, preventing you from falling in love with homes that are way out of your budget. Secondly, it strengthens your position as a serious buyer. When sellers see that you're pre-approved, they're more likely to take your offer seriously, especially in competitive markets. Also, when you decide to make an offer, you've already done part of the paperwork, so you often don't need as long for the financing condition. This makes your offer stronger than someone who has not done these things ahead of time. Now, let's talk about the benefits of getting pre-approved. As I mentioned earlier, it gives you a competitive edge in a seller's market. Sellers often prefer buyers who are financially prepared, and pre-approved shows that you're just that. A pre-approval can also speed up the closing process. Since your financials are already reviewed, you're likely to face fewer delays compared to someone who hasn't been pre-approved yet. It also gives you clarity on your budget. This means you can plan your finances accordingly and avoid any last-minute surprises. Through this process, you'll be locked into an interest rate for a short period of time, so when planned properly, there'll be no surprises at the closing table. So, now that you see why it's so important to get a pre-approval, let's briefly discuss the pre-approval process itself. First, you'll need to gather all necessary documents such as your pay stubs, bank statements, and your tax returns. Your lender will need these to be able to assess your financial health. Next, you will need to choose a lender. You'll shop around, compare rates to find one that suits you best. If you're working with me, I can recommend a couple amazing ones that I often work with. Once you've chosen your lender, it's time to apply for the pre-approval. They'll review your financials and your credit history, and if all checks out, you will receive your pre-approval letter shortly. Rest assured that just because you have a pre-approval up to a certain amount doesn't mean you'll be encouraged to spend that much on a house. There are many things to consider, including lifestyle and other expenses coming up, such as a child going to school, weddings, etc. The pre-approval just gives you the maximum amount you can afford on paper and locks you into an interest rate for that short period of time. Finally, let's debunk some common myths about getting your pre-approval. So myth number 1, pre-approval doesn't guarantee a loan. It's based on your current financial situation, which can change between putting in an offer and the closing table. Myth 2, pre-approval locks you into one lender. Actually, the pre-approval doesn't lock you into one lender. You can still shop around for the best mortgage rates, even after getting your pre-approval. So, in conclusion, getting your mortgage pre-approval is a crucial step in the home buying process. It sets realistic expectations, it gives you the competitive edge, and streamlines the entire buying process. So don't skip this important step if you're in the market for a new home. Remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more valuable real estate advice. Thanks for tuning in, happy house hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.